share a few things that I've been doing.
Okay.
All right. So to stay healthy with my mind, to keep my mind engaged, I've been taking this course, and it's given me a sense of purpose and helped me learn new skills. And another thing I do to keep my mind engaged is I play a game. Well, lately I usually play with friends, but lately I've been playing online. It's called Mahjong, and each year they have new rules. So I just got the new rules, and I've been learning that, and I've been playing with friends, and that's kept my mind engaged and kept me happy in seeing friends online. And for body, it's hard to stay active right now, but I occasionally exercise using YouTube videos. There's so many great free ones out there. You don't need a lot of space to do that. So you can do yoga, weights, dance. And for my soul, and to keep myself happy and sane, I've been trying to find things to celebrate. So my daughter turned 7, and we had, I don't know if you can see, it's very small. We had someone come put a little sign in the front yard wishing her a happy birthday.
Oh yes, we can see.
And she'd been so worried that her party wasn't going to be the way she had imagined, but we had a very nice day. We did all the things she wanted to do, just as a family. Last weekend was Easter, weekend before Easter, so we tried to make that day special too by doing traditional things like an Easter egg hunt with the kids and making a big deal about that. And we also sat down as a family for church on the computer, which was a new one for us. Another thing I think is helpful to keep people happy and give them a sense of purpose is to find a way to recognize and share their achievements and talents. And my daughter is learning violin at her school, and every Monday at 10 o'clock in the morning, she puts on a concert in our front yard. So that's a way to motivate her and share her talent. And it seems like a lot of musicians are doing that right now, sharing their talent, giving themselves an outlet to perform, connect. So that's what I'm doing. I'm interested to hear what you guys are doing.
Oh, thank you. It was nice. You are doing so well with so much negativity around. Great. Okay. So should I start mine, because it will go together? Okay. Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. Just tell me if you can see my screen. Upload.
And I found once it uploads, you have to go back in there and click on it.
Yeah, I know. I hope yeah. Open. It's getting uploaded. Can you see me on the screen?
I can see your eyes.
Oh.
It's like you need to tilt your monitor a little
bit. Okay. So I'm opening my PPT. You will need to click. Anna, you need to close your presentation.
Oh, I did. Is it still there?
It is still there, it looks like. Done?
Get rid of it.
Okay. Yeah, it's come now, right?
Yes.
I'll just expand it a little bit. Oh my God, what's wrong?
It looks good to us.
Okay, so I think I will move it a bit. Where it is gone?
Yeah, I adjusted it on the screen for screencast.
Again, same thing.
Here it is.
Yeah. I just want to expand. Yeah, can you see it now?
Yes.
Yes?
Do you want me to expand it?
No, it's okay. Now it's okay. I'm okay with it now. I'll just raise it a bit. Again it's gone? Oh my God. Such a big problem.
There,
It's
back.
I'll expand it a little. That's
Yes,
it?
dear.
Yeah, now it's okay. Okay. So, dear friends, amidst the. Should I start? Yeah.
Vanita, I just see an empty box.
empty box. We can't see it.
You don't see? Okay, now?
No, just the box.
Oh my god. What it says, you are already sharing slide. Please turn off your slide sharing and share the screen. So, what does it mean?
Why don't you close it and
Now,
open it back up?
now you are saying?
Not yet, but it takes a minute.
Please turn off your slide and sharing. Start sharing. Okay, turn off the slide. What it says is okay.
Indrajit is back.
Okay, now? Okay?
No.
Oh my god.
Empty box.
What am I? Okay, I gone back again. Upload the PowerPoint. I'm starting from again here.
Okay.
And open. Can you see now? It's come.
It's coming. Yes. No. Yes.
Can you expand it for me? I don't want to touch it again.
Yes.
Expand it a bit.
I can expand it on my end. Does it look bigger for the rest of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
It is. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm going to start now. So amid the coronavirus threat all over the world, there is so much negativity around us. And to get through this situation successfully, we need to be positive. So it is essential to maintain the balance between body, mind and soul. That's what I have made a very general presentation. Okay. Now how do we achieve this? As you can see here, in order to keep our body in good shape, we need to exercise and we need to eat healthy food. In order to keep our mind, we need to keep our mind occupied, reading, positive thinking, doing the activities such as this course. And then the spirit, we can go for meditation and some kind of celebrations. Maybe this picture is a representative of that. In order to keep your mind occupied or your mind fresh, you can engross yourself in readings just like the child is doing here. Start where you are, use what you have and do what you can. So within the limits of our own, whatever we are having right now, so you have to try to be happy. In the third picture, you can see a kitten. So like, a tiny kitten, but you can change yourself into a lion if you really work hard on your mind. So you can transfer yourself into the lion from a kitten. Now meditation brings wisdom. Lack of meditation leaves ignorance. Know well what leads you forward and what holds you back. So don't stay back, go ahead, go forward, as we are working very hard to complete this course. So that is really, really helping us a lot. And choose the path that leads to the wisdom. Yes. Now, healthy body will lead to sound state of mind. And therefore, in order to keep your body healthy, as you can see here, your body is precious. It is our vehicle for awakening. Treat it with care. So in order to keep yourself healthy, consume lot of vegetables, especially vitamin C, which will boost your immunity and exercise within the confines of your home. We all know it very well that we just cannot live, we cannot go for a walk, we cannot go for bike riding or swimming, but still at the same time, we can have a nice time exercising inside our house. So, with the folded hands, I request you to stay home and stay safe. Namaste. That's it.
Yeah, thanks, Vinita. That was great.
Namaste.
Yes. So now, Anupama, you can start with yours.
Yeah.
So I have removed mine.
Uploading my PPT.
Yes, yes, I removed mine. Yeah.
Good.
That I found was easier than sharing the screen.
Okay.
When I experimented, when I compared both, I found that uploading a PowerPoint is easier than screen sharing, perhaps.
Okay.
Yes. We see you now, Vanita.
Okay.
And my camera has gone off.
Do you mean to? I'll try to turn it on if I dare.
PPT is more important. That's okay.
Okay. All right. I'm trying. It says there's a queue and someone else is broadcasting. It makes no sense. Okay. I'll turn off. I can turn off my camera and see. Does that allow you to go?
Should I turn off mine also?
No.
I can try that.
That's,
Yes.
I don't know what happened to my PPT. Where has it gone?
No, you, yeah. Got it?
Oh, here it is. Here it comes.
Yeah.
Something's happening.
Okay.
My PPT is
We see.
Now we can see you also. Yeah.
Once mine uploaded, I had to click on screen again, and
I did that.
something's happening.
Yeah. Yes.
We see it.
Yes.
Now it's gone completely.
We
Yes.
see it.
We see it.
We can see it. Oh, it disappeared.
Now it's
Just give it a
gone.
minute.
Yeah.
Let's try it again. Here it goes. Something's happening.
Yeah.
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 Here it is. Okay, I just expanded a bit. It's visible now.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so the session on stay healthy while staying safe, especially in these times of the pandemic. We have to find easy ways to stay fit and to keep the mind, body, and soul in balance. Now, what we normally do is, if all of us keep breathing is the most natural action for all beings, and without breathing, life is not possible. We find that in different situations, the breathing patterns change. And during excitement, during anger, when we have quick, sharp intakes of breath, puffing of nostrils, or when we face anything which is very challenging. So, but when we are calm, we hardly ever notice how we breathe. And there are those who tend to slow when they sleep because of some kind of breathing obstruction. Which is that when we are not breathing properly, it's actually the energy flow that is being disrupted. And pranayama is an ancient